Let's talk about patient parents. This is one of our parenting types, and it's a good thing to know what type of parent you are when it comes to potty training your kid, because it will help set both you and your kid up for success, and it will also help you identify what some of your struggles may be on this journey. So the patient parent is one that knows that their kid is going to potty train when the time is right. They're not really in a hurry to push it. They're watching for signs so that they can, start to help their kid when they're ready to potty train. But they're not really making a big deal about it. They're actually pretty casual about potty training. Like any parenting type, again, there can be some pitfalls. So parents that are patient tend to miss the signs that their kids are ready because they're not really actively looking for them. So they can sometimes miss that their kid is saying, showing them, I'm actually ready to get started on this thing. Sometimes they don't even know what signs they're to be looking for to begin with. The patient parent can also find themselves without a plan, especially when there's problems. So, for example, when a situation escalates and your child becomes really upset with something related to potty training, these parents often don't have the right scripts or things to say to their kid to help diffuse the situation. Similarly, they sometimes lack a plan when there's an accident out in public, for example. And finally, sometimes these parents can just fail to stick to a plan in general because it might seem too complicated or impractical. So being a patient parent can be so lovely for the kid, but also, as you can see, there can be some challenges. And sometimes kids can feel a bit of added stress when they have a patient parent just because they don't know what the signals are, and they're just not getting consistent cues from you. So we work with all parenting types from at Pooping on the Potty. And if you are a patient parent, we have created a guide for you that goes through all of the different potty training methods you can use. We know that you're casual, we know that you're not pushing this, so we tried to make the resource as simple and light and fun as possible so that you get the information you actually need in order to help you plan and strategize how to make this as simple as possible for you and your kid. So again, we talk about all the methods. We also have a lot of awesome resources like scripts to use when something's happened. So say your kids had an accident, we give you basically verbatim what you should say to your kid so that it's very smooth and empowering and positive. We want to keep things positive, of course. And then finally, as part of our guide, you get access to me. So my name is Julia. I am a nurse, a parent, and a potty expert. I've worked in preschools and daycares in my career, so I've potty trained a lot of kids. So I know a lot of different parenting types, and I know a lot of different scenarios with kids. So I look forward to working with you. We can work face to face like this and create an individualized plan that will help you and your kid master potty training.